How to log in to FPL or Fantasy Premier League. Now, this method or process is very easy. All you have to do at first is to download the FPL application via the Google Play Store. If you already downloaded it, make sure that you're currently running the latest version by updating the app. So this is going to be your Premier League dashboard. If you go into Fantasy, you will now then be asked to log in to an existing or to register an account. If you choose to sign in, choose the designated account where you already have so that your login process will be at ease. Same goes on the web version. Just simply open up your preferred web browser. And then if you head straight into the Premier League official website, you should be able to see the fantasy option and then the fantasy Premier League. So that's going to be the same whole process. Choose your designated account where you would like to log in properly, and you should be able to log in on time. And that is how you log in to FPL or Fantasy Premier League.